everyone, welcome to Lukman IS. Today we are going to see how to read the Hindu newspaper for UPSC examination. Okay, so before starting or before answering some let's say frequently asked questions regarding how to read the Hindu newspaper and how to make notes from it and which part to be read, which part to be skipped. Before going on to that, let us try to understand that why the Hindu newspaper is important. Okay, so you know that whenever a candidate starts preparing for UPSC examination, everyone suggests that you start reading the Hindu newspaper, and there is a reason behind it. And what are these reasons? So first of all, there have been direct questions asked in prelims and mains examination directly from the Hindu newspaper in past years. We will deal with this topic in later time shortly, but try to understand direct questions have been let's say appearing in the prelims and mains examination for UPSC examination. The second most important aspect here is that UPSC is the exam is becoming more and more dynamic day by day or year by year, and that's why we need to have some dynamic source or resource material, or let's say resource aspect. For that the Hindu has no substitute. Okay, so some people may say that you can read directly the notes, current affairs notes from particular, let's say, class or something, but the Hindu reading directly by the student is utmost important for this examination. Okay, next part is that the Hindu newspaper, the article appearing in this newspaper are written by expert people. Okay, who are these expert people? Expert in their own field, like bureaucrats are there, like the judges are there, or even the politicians are there, or even the Supreme Court and High Court advocates. Okay, so those people are writing these articles, and we can understand from that the material, or let's say the fodder they are writing in that article is very important for our examination. At the same time, many newspapers have some biased aspect while writing these articles. However, the Hindu, especially the editorial is having very balanced view, which helps us to, let's say, in the mains examination while writing the answers, and even in the interview when we need to have some balanced view on particular issue. Okay. And lastly, the overall personality development of the student depends on, let's say, long term reading of the Hindu newspaper. Whenever the student starts reading the Hindu newspaper, and his journey when he completes up to, let's say, interview period, the personality that he developed because of reading the Hindu newspaper obviously reflected in that interview. Okay, so knowledge, understanding and the perspective building on any particular issue that develops because of reading the Hindu newspaper. Okay, so that's why the Hindu newspaper is important. Now, as I have said, that we will deal with the first aspect, that is direct questions have been appearing in the examination. Now, for example, we are just taking some brief examples for 2019 prelims examination and mains examination. Okay, so let us take examples one by one. From environment section in prelims examination, you can see the question here. The question is asked related to the technologies like injection of sulfate aerosol into stratosphere. Now, this has been in a, let's say, in news in the Hindu newspaper, you can see the 2018 there, the date November 2018. Okay, now what the article is saying, scientists mull stratospheric barrier to curb warming. Now the article heading itself saying that it is something talking about global warming. Okay, and in that article it particularly says that the geoengineering technique known as stratosphere aerosol injection, you can see that directly the statement. Those similar kind of questions directly from the Hindu newspaper appeared in examination. Similarly, another example from the environment section, look at the question here, that which of the following are in Agastyamalai Biosphere Reserve. Now, if you have read the Hindu newspaper, you may have come across that the Kalakkad Mundan Thurai Tiger Reserve. Okay. Now, this tiger reserve here, it specifically states that it is the part of interstate Agastyamalai Biosphere Reserve. Now, from that one point, if you have made notes from it, directly you can eliminate other three options. See here, Kalakkad Mundan Thurai Tiger Reserve. Okay, so such kind of use, or let's say resource that the Hindu, that is the importance it is having in your examination. From another section, if you take the example from economy section, look at the question here, which of the following is issued by registered foreign portfolio investors to the overseas investors which wants to be part of Indian stock market without registering themselves directly. Now, if you have read the newspaper, the Hindu newspaper, the topic, or let's say the headline, it says that investment in participatory notes hit 6-month high in December. Now, this news from January 2018, it is talking about the participatory notes, and in that article this paragraph states that P notes are issued by registered foreign portfolio investors. Exactly the statement is used directly by UPSC. The same statement is used here. Now you can understand the significance of the Hindu. Okay. Next example from economy section. What was the purpose of intercredited agreement signed by Indian banks and financial institutions recently? Now this is from the current affairs, from the economy section. Now the same topic or the same news was there in the Hindu. Banks agreed to resolve stressed assets quickly. The heading itself suggests here, look at the fourth option, to aim at the faster resolution of stressed asset. This much statement is sufficient to answer from these four statements. Okay. So, such kind of inputs that you have to take from the Hindu newspaper, and they directly appear, they are directly useful in your examination. Okay. The next question from science section, the word Denisovan is sometimes mentioned in media in reference to. Now this has been in news in the Hindu directly. Look at that news from January 2019. Denisovans may have been jewelers, the study. Now look at the section here, science and technology page and science. Okay, so you have to focus on that page, and each news is very important. Look at the content that is given. Denisovans, a cousin of Neanderthals. Basically, these people were nothing but the early human species. Okay, and very little information was known about them, while their contemporaries, Neanderthal, we know about them. Okay, so that's why it was in news for quite a lot of time in that year, and directly you can mention the answer. Okay. Next question from the science section, again direct question, the merger of giant black holes. Why it was in news? Significance of this phenomenon. Now look at the headline of news, April 2018, background space hum may reveal hidden black holes, and in that article this paragraph states directly that the gravitational waves from the black hole mergers directly answers, gravitational waves were detected. Now such kind of input, such kind of notes should be made from the Hindu newspaper for your prelims examination for this section. Now the next example can be taken like what is the CAS9 protein, which is that is often mentioned in the news. Now yes, many students have come across this part, may have come across this part. Now this is the technology related to, or let's say biotechnology, technology related to editing our genes. Okay. Now in this article it clearly states that it is like pair of molecular scissors, and it helps in cutting the genes. Okay. see here, the cutting is done by the enzyme like Cas guiding and it is edited out. So, gene editing, the concept or the technology, it is related. Here you can see the molecular scissors used in gene editing, first option. Fine. So, such kind of phenomenon you have to understand and such information should be taken. The question from international relations, quickly we can see that the action plan for prioritization and implementation of cooperation areas in nuclear field. Now, here there was agreements between India and Russia, and which are these agreements? See the updates in the Hindu newspaper, and these are the agreements. Look at this fifth agreement here, okay, and it is talking about cooperation in nuclear field. So, Russia, okay. So, such kind of questions that directly appear in your prelims examination from the Hindu newspaper, okay. So, what about mains examination then? Try to understand mains examination. We know that mains examination consists of essay, 4 GS papers and then your 2 papers of optional subject, right. So, what is the significance for essay? From the Hindu newspaper you can collect the facts, examples, case studies, some important reports, government schemes and policies, okay. Even some quotes can be mentioned from the articles and written down in your notebook, and that can be used in your essay. To let us say such examples, facts should be written in essay to support your arguments, and that will help in your fetching good marks in essay. Like GS1, some important aspects like social issues, poverty, unemployment, women related issues, urbanization, all these aspects can be covered from the Hindu newspaper. From time to time there will be many articles on these topics, and you have to take out some important notes, points in your notebook, okay. Then yes, and the major part of GS1, that is geography section. Here important aspects related to some natural hazards or natural phenomenon, like let us say cyclone is there, or there can be monsoon related questions, monsoon related phenomenon, or location of industries. All such type of things will be there in news in the Hindu newspaper. In GS2 and GS3, mostly the question can be covered from the current affairs. So, that is why take inputs from the Hindu for GS2 and GS3. Now, which topics or let us say important keywords that can be looked for in GS2? The constitution related developments, if there is any amendment to the constitution, or the question is talking about some fundamental rights in the constitution, some articles in the constitution, or let us say it is talking about the polity, federalism, cooperative federalism, competitive federalism. Such kind of topics will appear in the examination, and yes, articles related to such topics are there in the Hindu, okay. And international relation is separate part in GS2, and mostly the questions will appear from current affairs. And try to understand, the Hindu has very comprehensive coverage for international relations topic. We will see what kind of questions that are asked in next part, okay. So, GS3, from GS3 most of the questions are asked from the current affairs, and even if it is not from the current affairs, you have to use the facts, data and examples and fodder from current affairs to write your answers in GS3, okay. So, economy section is there, agroeconomy is there, science and technology is there, infrastructure part is there, environment section is there, or even internal security. Mostly the question will appear from current affairs, and that is why the resource material from the Hindu is very important. Now, many students may have let us say confusion over how to use your the Hindu newspaper for GS4 or ethics section. Yes, we will look into that part also, like many case studies or let us say many terminologies from the ethics newspaper may also appear in your the Hindu newspaper. For example, ethics in governance part or RTI, all these things will be there time to time in your the Hindu article, let us say the Hindu newspaper article. So, we have to take inputs from that also. And yes, for optional subject, different optional subjects like public administration is there, geography is there, or PSIR, or let's say sociology. Mostly the paper second of these optional subjects are from India aspects, and the questions can relate to directly current affairs from that paper too. Okay, so that is also important. You can make note of that that part separately. Quickly, let us have a look at mains 2019 question paper and the relevance of the Hindu newspaper. Look at the question: discuss the causes of depletion of mangroves and explain their importance in maintaining coastal ecology. There was this article in the Hindu newspaper. It is talking about loss of mangroves. This article comprehensively covers your answer. Okay, the causes as well as the importance of this mangroves. From the paper second, the question is talking about international relations. See, too little cash, too much politics leaves UNESCO fighting for life. Now, this statement is in inverted comma, and this statement appeared in one article from the Reuters, and directly the statement is used. And second statement: discuss the statement in the light of US withdrawal and its accusation of cultural body of being anti-Israel. Look at this statement: US pulls out of UNESCO accusing of it anti-Israel bias. Now, this article covers why they are saying about anti-Israel bias, why US pulled out of this UNESCO, and what are the problems in UNESCO. Okay, so directly you can answer this question from current affairs and the Hindu newspaper. Similarly, the question on GST, this article, GST's performance versus promise. So it is nothing but the analysis of 2 years of GST from 2017 to 2019, and directly the answer, it is talking about the revenue implications of GST introduced in India since July 2017. Like similar way, from the GS3 part, many questions appeared from current affairs like Cyber Dome project of Kerala. Now this was in news, but many students missed out on this because the news covered was from the states section, and many students or even many mentors advise that students can skip the states part. But yes, we would like to advise that you can scan the topics from that part, because the questions are appearing from state sections also. Okay, Cyber Dome project. Similarly, the question related to internal security, after Pulwama attack, there was ban of Jamaat-e-Islami in Jammu Kashmir and the overground workers, their role. So such kind of articles appeared in the examination, the newspaper, the Hindu. Okay. Now, I was talking about GS4, what kind of inputs that you can take from the Hindu newspaper. See here, what is meant by term constitutional morality. Now, to understand this term, one can take inputs from the Hindu newspaper. Forget about the second part, directly we have to brainstorm from the ethical perspective, how does one uphold the constitutional morality, but the first part can be answered from this newspaper article. Similarly, there was judgment by the Supreme Court saying that RTI overrides Official Secrets Act, and the similar question appeared in the examination. There is a view that Official Secrets Act is an obstacle to the implementation of Right to Information Act. Okay, so one can directly let's say understand that these questions are also from current affairs, and they can be tackled from, let's say, inputs from the Hindu newspaper. Similarly, the case study, look at this case study, it is talking about the, let's say, protection to honest civil servants. Okay, it is talking about corruption and it is talking about protection to honest civil servants. See this, there was Amendment to Prevention of Corruption Act in 2018, and all these things were in news, and that's why the same case study appeared in the examination. Protecting the honest civil servants, and there was amendment to this Prevention of Corruption Act, and many new provisions were added where let's say earlier provisions were changed where the civil servants were given more protection. Okay. So in this respect, we have understood the significance of your The Hindu newspaper. Why part? Okay, always try to go like this. Okay, why, what, and how. Why The Hindu newspaper? What to read in the newspaper, and how to read, and how to, let's say, take inputs from the newspaper, how to make notes. So first, second and third step to understand. Okay, so first step you have understood up to this part. Now if you have let's say briefly, let us take the comparative analysis of The Hindu newspaper with other newspaper. This is not important, but yes, many times students get confused about let's say whether Indian Express is also important while reading simultaneously The Hindu newspaper. Let me tell you that The Hindu newspaper is largely sufficient for your preparation. When you appear for, let's say, interview, then you can add some let's say supplementary material from, let's say, second newspaper, that is Indian Express, but till that time we advise that you do not refer to more than one newspaper. The base is The Hindu newspaper. Now why The Hindu newspaper is better than other newspaper? Because in other newspaper, the main, or let's say important news are scattered. It is very difficult to pinpoint what is relevant news. Okay. Most of the news are, let's say, irrelevant news for your UPSC examination. Like we have seen Times of India newspaper, mainly the news are related to entertainment purpose or sports. Many let's say large images, photographs are there. Page 3, we all know that Times of India, right? So Bollywood and all parties, photographs. But yes, let us not get swayed away from our preparation. Let us be focused, and that's why The Hindu newspaper, where most of the news are, let's say, relevant and relevant to your examination. Also, the articles in these newspapers are lacking some depth, or let's say they do not have that much kind of deeper analysis of the issue. That's why it is advised that The Hindu newspaper is good, and news related to some certain sections for which are important for your examination, like environment section is there, wildlife. These news are extensively covered in your The Hindu newspaper, not other newspapers. Okay, and lastly, The Hindu newspaper is quite let's say lenient or oriented towards CSE, Civil Services Examination of UPSC, as compared to other examination. Okay, they have some kind of, let's say, inputs for your UPSC preparation inbuilt. Now let us come to the second aspect, what. Okay, so which kind of questions student face before starting reading this the Hindu newspaper. Okay, so why part we have covered. Now how to read the Hindu newspaper, how to read, and then what to read, which news is to be read, which news is to be skipped. Next question is how to link with UPSC syllabus, how much time should be invested, at what time of the day should I read a newspaper, should I make notes from the newspaper, if yes, then how to make notes, and is daily online Hindu analysis video of any coaching class sufficient without reading the Hindu newspaper. Let us try to let's answer these questions one by one. We call it as the art of newspaper reading. Okay, so first of all, before starting reading the the Hindu newspaper, you should have two things in your hand or at your table. One is syllabus of your prelims examination, mains examination, along with your optional subject. At the same time, you should have analysis of previous year questions. Okay, why this is important? Because unless and until you have these two things with you, you do not understand the scope of examination. And when you have, or let's say understand the scope of examination, then it is easy to relate current affairs with your, let's say, syllabus or examination, or take inputs from this the Hindu newspaper. So that's why the first and foremost foundation is syllabus and previous year question papers analysis. Second thing is that we need to be very smart and efficient while reading the Hindu newspaper. Okay, only the relevant part should be read from this newspaper and others to be skipped. Okay, we will deal with this aspect, what to read and what to be skipped, in the next part. Okay. Next is, yes, mostly when the student start reading the newspaper at the start of preparation of this examination, he or she may get swayed away while reading these news, and it may take 3 hours, even more than 3 hours for student to read the Hindu newspaper, because he does not understand what to read and what to be skipped. Okay. But that is not the problem. This is the skill that the student acquire with time. So when you daily have this practice of reading the Hindu newspaper, automatically time gets reduced, and ultimately with the, let's say, time span of 2 to 3 months, if you regularly read the Hindu newspaper, it will be maximum covered in within the 90 minutes, 1.5 hour maximum. Okay, that should be the ideal time after that period. Let me tell you, many students have interest in particular issues, like political issues are there, social issues are there, even the sports news. Now, let us not get swayed away, let us not get emotional about these news. Your time is utmost important for this examination, and that's why you need to stay focused, stick to the syllabus, stick to the scope of syllabus. Okay. At the same time, many students try to dig about the news on the internet. Now you need to know the limits of up to what depth you are going to dig about that news. Okay, so that is again the skill that you will develop with the reading newspaper, and then understanding the analysis of previous year question paper, what type of questions that has been asked from particular topic of syllabus. Okay. And lastly, it should be ideally read in the morning. Why? Many mentors will advise you that yes, it can be read at the night time also. However, we would like to advise you that the Hindu newspaper should be read in the morning, because you have or your brain has, let's say, tendency to relate whatever you have read with your preparation after that day. Because whatever you are reading for, let's say, prelims perspective, mains perspective, after reading this newspaper, you will be able to relate that somewhere at some point of time, and that is going to help in your examination. Okay. So that's why I try to read the newspaper early in the morning. And yes, whatever the videos there are there daily from the various, let's say, coaching classes, there are many new let's say videos are there on the internet. However, try to understand, this is only to supplement your personal reading. Okay, this is not alternative to your the Hindu newspaper. You have to personally read newspaper whatever it takes. Okay, only to supplement your preparation, these videos are helpful. Now one by one, before going to the how we have to, let's say, read this newspaper, what we will try to understand what is to be read, what is not to be read. But before that, many students find the let's say question that how to make notes from the Hindu newspaper. So art of notes making from newspaper, first and foremost is that your notes should be very short and crisp notes in your own language. Do not copy paste from the newspaper, the Hindu newspaper. It is, you are not going to retain that in your mains examination while writing answer. Okay, if you try to understand the issue and you let's say comprehend from the article something, and then you write in your own language, you are directly going to use that in your examination. Your brain will retain that. So that's why try to make short, crisp notes of examples, data, facts, and some analysis in your own language. Okay. At the same time, we have ED classes, editorial discussion classes, and the foundation batch will let's say attend those lectures, and that's why while making notes you try to make short notes and do not make comprehensive notes, because you will get or receive booklets of editorial discussion and which are very in-depth coverage of that issue. So do not go into the making comprehensive notes. Okay, so focus on short and sweet notes with simple language. Fine. Next part is that do not compartmentalize from the prelims and mains and interview perspective while reading the Hindu newspaper. Try to take a comprehensive picture of the news and then take inputs for your prelims examination, then mains examination, and then interview perspective. Okay. So that can be done by separately having let's say noting down the pros and cons of particular issue for your mains examination. This is very important. Positive and negative aspects of particular issue, particular political issue, or let's say social issue is there, economic issue is there. Now this is very important. Do not make single one particular notebook and write down all the notes day by day. Try to make separate sections of your modules like economy, polity, geography, or environment section is there. Separate sections or even small separate notebooks can be done for this note making exercise. Okay. And last but very important, keep mentioning the syllabus point while making notes. So if you are let's say making one particular notes of particular issue in the newspaper, here first write the syllabus point. From which topic of your syllabus this article relates. Why this is important? Because when you are going to do revision, it will help to retain, and while writing in your examination, while writing answer in your mains examination, this is going to help. Okay, because once the newspaper is read, it is going to be let's say हम रद्दी में उसको डाल देते हैं, राइट. बाद में हम वो आर्टिकल कभी देखते नहीं है, पढ़ते नहीं है, तो हमें वो याद नहीं आएगा कि आर्टिकल कैसा दिखता था, क्या था उसमें. What we are going to retain is only your notes. So while making notes, try to write the syllabus point here itself, even for your optional subject if you are mentioning that part. Now this is very important, what to be read and what not to be read. Here look for key terms in the headlines of your The Hindu newspaper, and then you will understand whether it is relevant or not. Now some important key points, it may be difficult to see from here, but yes, we will provide the PDF of this let's say presentation in your video, but let me give some brief information. Polity and governance section, economy section, environment, science and technology, international relations, social issues, government schemes and policies, and culture. You can divide your notebook in these sections and if look for these key terms. For example, if you take the example of environment and ecology section, now you look for whether there is any mention about national park, biosphere reserve, any river is there or any dam is being built across that river, the name of that reservoir, or any particular new species have been discovered, or that particular species which is endangered species, then its habitat, IUCN status, all these things should be looked for, and any international organization, international agreement that is in news in that article, then make notes from that one. That news is relevant for your examination. Okay. So in similar way, you can take the example of science and technology, look for nanotechnology, biotechnology, defense technology, space technology, nuclear technology. All these things look for these key terms in your article, and that article becomes relevant. Now these key terms are from previous year examination, previous year question papers and your syllabus point. Okay, so you can have your own key terms from that syllabus as syllabus of this examination and previous year questions. Okay, and then you can directly understand the relevant articles, whether that particular article is relevant or not. Okay. Now which part to be skipped? This is also important for, let's say, to understand how to read this newspaper. First of all, the political news. This political party has done this, and all this news, let's say the brat between the ruling party and opposition party, the head of that party is saying that let's say the ruling party is doing that. This is not important for your examination. Okay, so political news to be skipped. City related news, like if you are in Delhi, then there will be one particular page related to Delhi news or NCR news. So that is again not important. Entertainment news obviously to be skipped. Yes, that is not relevant for examination. Sports news also not relevant unless and until it is mentioned as your hobby in your let's say for interview purpose in your that mains form. Then only you have to follow that. Microeconomics like bonds, shares, equities, and all these things to be skipped because they will not appear in your examination. And international happenings, unless it concerns or has bearing upon India's interest. Okay, like what the international happening, something is the elections are happening in Scandinavian country or any African country, that does not have any bearing on India's interest, and that's why such news to be skipped from the foreign page. Okay, so now let us try to understand this part. How? Okay, so first two aspects are covered. How? Now I am going to give you directly page wise analysis of the Hindu newspaper. Now you may have that the Hindu newspaper with you right now, and you can look from various pages what news to be read. From front page, read the headlines of all news, because most of the news are of nationally and internationally important news. However, most of the news are also not relevant for your examination. So what to be read or what to be looked for in this page? First and foremost, there will be news of Supreme Court and High Court judgment in the front page. So look for it. If it is relevant for your examination, then you can take notes from it. Second is government decisions, important government decisions, any new scheme is being launched, any changes in the existing scheme, existing policy is being done, that will appear on the front page. Look for it, because that is going to be fodder for your examination. Next is, suppose there is a parliamentary session going on and many bills will be passed, many laws will be enacted, and if there is a constitutional amendment act, if there is new law being passed which relates to your syllabus, then you should take note from that. Okay. And lastly, any unique or let us say relevant news that appears at the bottom of front page. Recently there was news in the Hindu newspaper related to Gir lions census. There was a census of Gir lions, Asiatic lions, that the Gir forest, that is the last habitat of natural habitat of the Asiatic lions, and that news appeared at the bottom page, bottom of this front page. So such kind of news will appear, look for them, and they are important for your examination. Now the second, third, fourth and fifth page. Look, second page is related to capital city, or let us say if you are in Delhi, then it will be capital, or if you are in Mumbai, then that will be different. If you are in Hyderabad, that will be different. Third is again it is talking about particular city. Fourth page is related to north states and eastern states, and fifth page is related to western states. Now let me tell you, earlier this division was different. Earlier the division was different. From the lockdown period, the Hindu has changed the division. From the lockdown period, the Hindu has changed this division. Most of the news in these pages are related to coronavirus. So you have to skip and only scan these pages if there is any relevant news. Now what is relevant news to be, let's say, scanned and take input from? Let me give you some examples. Look at this news. Recently there was, let's say, the water from this Lonar lake in Maharashtra turned pinkish in color, and that news appeared from that western state, 5th page. Okay. So because that is talking about western states, Maharashtra and Gujarat mostly, the news will appear from that part. Now this news is important for your examination. So such kind of news, let me give you another example, like the CM, Maharashtra CM unveils Mumbai's new flood warning system. The name of the system was Inflows Mumbai. Now this news is significant from the perspective, if the question is asked from the urban floods, it is talking about flood warning system. This is very unique because in earlier years there were many, for many years there were floods in Mumbai as well as Chennai city, right. So urban flood phenomenon, that is important. In your way forward part or majors, you can mention this aspect, right. So such kind of inputs can be taken from states or this 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th page. Now the most important part of the Hindu newspaper is page 6, editorial page. Okay. From the UPSC perspective, we have to definitely read this page and editorial, how it looks like. See here, 2 articles in the left hand column, they are must read. Whatever the social, political, economical issues, even international issues that is going in the news, a very balanced analysis and balanced view is given in these articles. You can see how it appears in the newspaper. Suppose that is the page, on left hand side it will look like 2 columns on the left hand side, like. So must read articles. Then there will be 2 articles written by experts on alongside on right hand side on particular issue that is in news, and you should read these articles only if it is relevant to your syllabus. Okay. And then lastly there will be at bottom some letters to the editor, they are of not used, they should be skipped. Then there is op-ed page, page 7, articles by experts in the particular field are written in this page. The 2 articles or 2 to 3 articles are there, but what is important for your examination, sometimes a very good data in terms of charts and graphs, it is given at the bottom of this page. For example, look at this. Now this appears at the bottom of that page, okay, op-ed page. Not daily, but sometimes it is given, and that data should be taken from that article as an input for your essay or even for your other GS papers for mains examination. Next is page 8, 9, 10, 11. Now from the lockdown period or corona outbreak, this division has been also changed, and the news covered mostly are from corona news in these papers. However, there is again page 8, let us say page 8 covers only from southern states. Southern states, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and let us say Karnataka. So what to look out for your examination? Mostly the article, or let's say if article is talking about any tiger reserve, biosphere reserve, hills, rivers, eastern Ghats, western Ghats, national park, then only that news is relevant for your exam. At the same time, from the southern state, what is important is culture part. So if it is talking about any folk festival, folk dance, it is talking about architecture of a particular temple, then that becomes important for your examination. Next page, it is talking about Page 9, mostly political news, but one or two news they are talking about India and its neighbors, such as recent border dispute between India and Nepal and India and China. Now the developments in that dispute are covered in this page, okay, specifically. So you should follow that part, that is important for your examination, international relations. Then the page 10, it is talking about all national news. If it is relevant for your syllabus, then only you should read that. And page 11 covers one article at the top of the page. Mostly it is talking about agriculture or environment or any particular disaster that is relevant to your examination. Other news are not relevant to your examination, because mostly they are talking about corona outbreak only. Now page 13, 12 and 13 feature every day. This page from Monday to Saturday, this page appears in this The Hindu newspaper. It is mostly talking about entertainment news, fashion, movies, book reviews. So it is not important for your examination. You should completely skip these 2 pages. Next is foreign page, page 14. The major developments in the world, geopolitics and political news in the Western countries, European countries. So these news, if they are relevant for your let's say syllabus part of GS2 IR section, then you should take inputs from. What to look out for in this part is international organizations, their reports, their headquarters, and which countries are members of these international organizations. Now in last year there was in prelims there was question about world competitiveness report given by which of the following organization. So World Economic Forum gives that, right, or let's say ease of doing business ranking is there of World Bank. So such kind of things will appear here, okay. So international organizations becomes important for your examination. Then there are some international and regional groupings, treaties and agreements. For example, BRICS is there, ASEAN is there, or let's say treaties like World Trade organizations like World Trade Organization is there. So if the news is talking about these, then that becomes relevant for your examination. Suppose if there is any international heritage monument, if it is in news, then that becomes important for your prelims perspective. Regions in conflict. There was question in prelims, match the following, and they match these regions, like there was Chechnya and Darfur region in that question, and then it is talking about in which country this region lies. So such kind of news will appear in this page. So you can take note of these regions which are in conflict or civil war, okay. And lastly, the PSIR optional students can make most of this page, that is important for them. Then there is business section, business page, page 15, and news related to economics and business world. What to look out for is monetary policy, RBI and its policy rates, monthly, bi-monthly policy rates changes. All these things will be covered here. Any regulatory guidelines by RBI or SEBI or other regulatory bodies. Financial sector, let's say only talking about capital market or macroeconomics, those news are relevant. Microeconomics from this page is not important, okay. Then there are fiscal policies, there is budget, then economic survey, government policies, let's say related to government revenue or expenditure, they are called fiscal policies. So government policies and schemes are there. And then there will be news related to SEZs and NMIZs, MSME sector. So those are also important for your examination perspective. At the same time, many national and international rating agencies, credit rating agencies, they will appear in this page. So make note of these rating agencies. And last, page 16 at the back, mostly the news related to sports. However, try to understand. Many times at the bottom of this page, very important and relevant news appears for your examination, and look out for that. For example, see this news. Recently in last week, this news was there on that back page, last page at the bottom. So it is talking about first estimation exercise of Indian Gaur in Nilgiris in recent years, right? So what to be mentioned or taken input from this is that the IUCN status of this Indian Gaur and habitat of this Indian Gaur, right? So vulnerable IUCN status is there, and deciduous forest. Basically Indian Gaurs are largely found in deciduous forest, and they let's say do not like the evergreen forest, and they live around the let's say human habitations. This was complete newspaper from Monday to Saturday. However, on Sunday the Hindu has started two important pages. First is that the science section is now separately dealt on Sunday. So the science page is there, page 11, science and technology, and then there is page 12, FAQ. These two pages are very important for your examination. All articles should be read from these two pages. So which type of articles appear in FAQs? Mostly the nationally and internationally important issues are thoroughly covered, and analysis is given, which is very important for your UPSC examination. Look at this article. It is talking about gross value added numbers and the economy. It is talking about how gross value added is calculated, how it is significant comparatively to the GDP numbers, and all these things are covered in this article. It may not be visible here properly, but yes, such kind of articles like figuring out COVID terminologies, like terminologies related to COVID-19 outbreak, like what do you mean by pandemic, what do you mean by epidemic, what do you mean by community transmission, like flattening of curve, herd immunity. These are very important terms for your examinations. So they are given in same one article. So take inputs from such articles. Okay, they are very important articles. So this was about all the analysis and about how to read the Hindu newspaper. So do not go into, let's say, only referring to monthly notes or let's say any online video of any coaching class without reading the Hindu newspaper. Habit of the Hindu reading this newspaper is very important for overall personality development. And if you go let's say ask any civil servant, any let's say those who have secured rank in your final examination, everyone will tell you that the Hindu newspaper is must. Okay, personally reading this newspaper is must. So that's why start from today itself reading this newspaper. You can follow all this strategy while reading this newspaper, and you will take let's say later on after 2-3 months you will realize, or let's say you will get enlightenment that how significant is reading the Hindu newspaper for this examination. Okay, so for further information related to our foundation class, contact Lukman IAS. Thank you.